Alright guys, just want to do a quick walk around of the 97 GTS. I want to show you guys how nice this thing is in person. Hard to get across in video, you know, just how mint a car is, but I've had a few Vipers, and this 97 is by far the nicest Gen 2 I've come across. The car has one tiny blemish on the driver's side rocker. Aside from that, I could not find any blemishes in the paint whatsoever. I had the car professionally paint corrected by JP Platinum Detailing here in Phoenix, and the car came out phenomenally. I think he was able to remove like 95% of the swirls and any kind of paint defects that were, you know, in the factory paint. Here, we'll just get pretty close. I wanted to show you guys that defect I was talking about. So over here on the rocker, if you could see, there's a little paint bubble, and this is really common because the exhaust runs through there and the panel is made out of aluminum, so it gets really hot and the paint will usually bubble up, usually a lot worse than that, and that's just on the driver's side one. Passenger side is mint. So we'll go ahead and start it up. It's got Forgeline wheels all around. I just put brand new Nitto 555 G2s on the front and 555 R2s on the rear. So it's got drag radials on the back. As you can see, they're literally brand new. I have maybe 5 miles on them. Interior is phenomenal. The seats are like new. No scratches or tears or anything like that. A lot of times the posts show really bad wear, you know, considering the car is 24 years old. But the seats look great. The leather's nice and soft. No bad cracking or anything in any of the leather. It's got brand new Lloyd floor mats all around. Let's go ahead and get inside. As of right now, the car has 27,000. Here, let me see if I can try to zoom in on that. 27,556 miles. It's got the MGW shifter in it. Look at that dash. Usually these dashes are super scratched and nicked up because they have like a matte finish on them. But this dash is super nice. Super nice. The seats, mint, new floor mats. Alright, turn the key. As you can see, everything works as it should. All the lights light up. Starts right up. Let's go outside. It's got a nice deep growl to it. It has a Corsa Catback system, and it has B&B Headers. As you can see in the listing, the car is supercharged, so as you come along the front, you can hear a little bit of that Paxton whistle, especially if you come in the air duct. You just hear it chugging along a little bit, but aside from that, the car is really quiet. You know, the exhaust does a good job at muffling the noise pretty nicely, but it just has a really mean throaty sound. If there's anything else you guys want to see, let me know. I'll be happy to take a picture, send a video. I'll do FaceTime, whatever you guys want to do. Thanks for watching.